Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Christmas / New Year's Eve appetizer. We're going to be making some barbecue meatballs. These make for lovely appetizers, and we need to start by seasoning our meat. So I have about 2 pounds of ground pork. I'm seasoning it with salt, pepper, ground onion powder, ground garlic powder, and some parsley. Then, to help soak up some of the excess moisture, we're going to add in some breadcrumbs. You're going to go in with about a cup and a half, and you're just going to sprinkle that right over top. And then to bind your meatballs together, you're going to need 2 eggs. So I'm using 2 large eggs, just crack them right in there, and then get ready to get your hands dirty because you're going to mix this with your hands. Then you're going to start to roll them into 1-inch balls and place them in your slow cooker. The great part about using a slow cooker is it's not often used during the holidays, so it's really easy to 1, utilize it, and 2, have it going somewhere out of the way because you just need to plug it in. It doesn't require any oven space or stove space, so it's perfect. On to making the simple sauce that we're going to top off our meatballs with. I'm going to use 1 whole bottle of barbecue sauce. I'm going to use about a half a cup worth of ketchup, and this is going to add a lot more sweetness. And then we're going to go in with some chili oil. This is going to add just a little bit of spice. It's really simple, and these are things that you usually can find in your home. You can always substitute the chili oil for any hot sauce. Give it all a good mix. And go ahead and pour some barbecue sauce over the first layer. You just need a little bit. You just want each little meatball to have a little bit of sauce. It's just going to help them to not stick during the cooking process. And then you're just going to do that with each layer to follow. Layer of meatballs, layer of sauce. Layer of meatballs, layer of sauce. And when you get to the final layer, you can just put on all of the leftover sauce that you have left. Then you're just going to go ahead, place your lid on, and we're going to cook this for 4 hours on high, or you can do 6 hours on low. And you don't have to mix it throughout the process, just leave it, let it be, they'll cook perfectly. And when they're done, you're just going to place them in a separate bowl. And over a medium-high heat, we're going to put a saute pan, and we're going to pour in all of our sauce. And we're just going to let that boil for a few minutes. It's just going to help it to reduce and thicken up a bit more so it sticks onto the meatballs a little bit better. And make sure to whisk it every once in a while to make sure none of the sauce burns or gets stuck to the bottom of your pan. And then go ahead and pour that beautiful sauce back over all of your meatballs. And with that, you are done. You have the perfect appetizer. All you gotta do is lay out some toothpicks and have at it. I hope you guys liked this recipe for the holidays. It's really simple, and it's one of those things that you can make ahead of time and have ready. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, comment below for what you guys want to see next time. Make sure to subscribe to see new videos every Monday and Thursday, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And until next time guys, bye! And happy holidays.